Hello, this is Tony Owen Powered Access. I've got Nifty Lift 170 in front of me. I'm just going to explain a quick fix to not an entirely common problem, but one you might come across if you own one of these machines for a period of time. Sometimes the engine will run, and when you press the power button, you'll also get the electric motor running at the same time. It should be either or. You get sort of choice of power, with electric motor being the default setting, and then if you switch the combustion engine on, in which case that one will be used. This is a petrol one with batteries. How the machine knows which power source to use is really simple. It's this switch in here, which is just a flow switch. This is the oil supply to this gear pump here. So the oil comes in, goes back to the tank via this one. When you press the green power button in the basket, this solenoid engages, puts the oil flow through here, and the machine can be used. So this switch here just detects whether that engine is running and oil is flowing from the tank and back to the tank again. These little cables here come through to this one here. It's this SW flow switch. That tells the Boxertrix under the canopy here that the engine is running, and it doesn't need to then use the electric motor. If you run out of petrol, that engine breaks down. The default setting, the automatic thing that happens is this flow switch then says there's no flow, tells the Boxertrix here. The Boxertrix says, right, the engine's not running, we'll use the electric motor. I'm rambling a little bit, but if you get a position where you've got the engine running and the motor comes in as well when you press the power button, or alternatively the engine stops, you might switch it off yourself, it might run out of petrol, but the electric motor doesn't run and you're stuck in the air and can't get down, the chances are it's a real simple thing. The connectors from the factory are just these spade connectors, just push fit together. They normally reside behind this pipework here. They're tie wrapped up because that catches the water and they sit there completely unseen and they corrode. These ones aren't actually too bad, but my customer did say the other day they had some issues with the engine running and then the electric motor wouldn't, and vice versa. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut those off. I'm going to crimp on these different crimp connectors, and these are heat shrink ones, so I'll then use my heat gun over there to shrink these down. They'll be completely watertight then, and that will cure that problem. So 99 times out of 100, any issues like that are purely these connections hidden around the back there. It's not normally the switch, although that can be the case, but normally it'll just be those. So simple fixes: cut those off, clean the wires up, put some waterproof connectors on, shrink them down, and jobs are good 'un.